Listen to this connection connected the soil pipe from the new downstairs toilet that was created straight into the existing gully. When you flush the toilet, you see everything coming in there and getting blocked. I just have to find a direct connection to the soil stack and put a gully and yeah, be careful there. It's not easy to lift anyway. Yeah, you can take that up. So none is sticking that, you see the pipe is just right there. Yeah, just carefully. Then after that, we're just gonna find out where the main soil stack is and see how we can connect it. So we don't know anything that's going on until we take all this out, get to the root cause of the problem and see how we can resolve it. Yeah, just gonna pile it up here and see how it goes, really. Yeah, we just had an unfortunate situation here. I think the dishwasher was still on. Oh my days. Anyway, that's no problem. We'll figure that out now. Oh, this is gonna go. So basically he just connected that with this like that onto the gully. That's how he did it. So that flows there and upwards, and you can imagine all the waste from the toilet coming from there into the gully and then trying to go upwards. That's not possible. So that was just a mess anyway. For it. So we have a situation. Turns out that I'll have to dig the side a little bit deeper because that is going to be hard for that to swing. That's going to be like a very tight angle. That's not going to work. Don't think they even sell angles like that, and it's not going to even pass the inspection. So I have to dig this deeper so that that can actually just sink in, and hopefully that can swing and elbow into that. Then there'll be another straight one into the drain for the tap there. Yeah, this is just what I need for the job today. Yeah, you can do it. Just gonna choose around. So I got this from Wix. So that has a reducer bend. That's from the old one to the new plastic, old clay pipe to the new plastic soy pipe. So I'm just gonna stuck this in like this. I'm gonna have a look at this. I'll probably put it, yeah, that's tight. That's not going anywhere. You see. And do you have the other one? Nani, can you give me that? It's just right there. I'm even asking you to bring that for me. You can imagine the laziness. Sheer laziness. Yeah, so it's just right there. You see, that's proper. That's proper right there. Look at that. That's good. Then what's gonna happen next is, yeah, this probably is better, I guess. Yeah, that's perfect. Look at that. Yeah, perfect. And into the soil, and that goes from that goes all the way like that with a flexible. So we've done this. It's all looking good now. In solid connected so the flow goes, let me do this, from the toilet all the way in to the main. Then the gully is right there, flows backwards into the soil. So there is no chance of it, because before it was just connected straight up there. but now we have to do this and coming back again. So good. So I'm gonna tighten this up. And that up. And that looks solid. Don't think that's gonna go anywhere. Yeah, that's going nowhere. Raise that up a bit. See, so this gully is quite good because you could adjust the height, which is really good. So that's been raised up to the right height, and so that's kind of almost flush with the, just a little bit down, which is not bad anyway. Flush with the existing. The toilet has been flushed and everything is watertight. So that's us right there. So everything's looking perfect, just the way we need it to be. Can actually wash my hands. These hands have been through a lot today. So I must say my hand still looks fresh even after all that. So yeah, so the soil pipe again goes into the soil stack, and that goes all the way there. We're going to cover that with some sharp sand and put the concrete all the way just to protect it. The reason why I'm not going to put concrete to wrap around the pipe, because it was a hell for us to take the concrete off the old pipe, so we don't want that to happen to anyone that's going to do maintenance in the future for some reason. So I'll put the sand all the way there, then level out with concrete, so it's not so easy to get onto the pipe, but also you know that when you want to get to the pipe you can just break the concrete and not having to chip off concrete off the pipe and all that stuff. So we're going to do that. So yeah, so nice and ready to go. Really, yeah, there it goes. So that's where we are now, covered nicely. That's some sharp sands, kind of mixed with a little bit of soil, but I decided to use some of the old sharp sand, so we're gonna throw some of this away, but some of it I'm gonna have to, so I don't waste the concrete, I'm gonna have to put some soil there. So I just have this section of concrete to put on and all the way there. So yeah, so concrete is in. I'm excited about this now. It's all good to go, and the water just flows straight into the, yep. So what I'm going to do is, I regret to announce that my jam donut fell on the floor, so I have to sacrifice it to this concrete, and yeah, I'm really upset. But let's see. Bye. Oh god, it came out. Anyway, it's just me messing around. Yeah, it's a chocolate donut, isn't it? Yeah. You know.
Brother.
Yeah, so it's done now. So good to go. Yep. Doesn't look the neatest, but it looks good like that. Yeah, as long as the oil flows in, that's all that matters for now.